For many years, I've been talking about one same thing, and I keep talking again and again. It's about the reviews from your customers, testimonies. And reviews don't build ego, they build actually your revenue. And reviews don't just build reputation, they build your online presence, because Google actually ranks your business when you have so many reviews. The more the better. Then potential customers have more chances to find your business. And another importance is actually drives your revenue. So it's one of the easiest, the simple step is to build your reviews. However, it's still being ignored. And with Pulse Growth, we can actually help you to automate all the review requests. And yes, our team sets everything up for you, show you how it's used, train your staff, so you don't have to do manual chasing, and you don't have to forget to follow up, because the system can do it for you. And the best part, you can start it for free and collecting reviews automatically. Our team going to set everything up for you within first week, and you just use the system. You don't need to learn the tech or overwhelm.